Welcome to Manorama Ultrascan Pvt Limited, a beacon of health and innovation. Here, care meets cutting-edge technology to provide unparalleled medical services, all under one roof. Our multi-specialty hospital and diagnostic center is designed with one goal in mind: your health, from prevention to treatment to every step of your healthcare journey. With a team of renowned specialists across radiology, pathology, cardiology, gastrology, neurology, and more. Manorama Ultrascan Pvt Limited offers comprehensive medical care. No matter the health challenge, we're here to provide personalized solution tailored just for you. Accurate diagnosis is the first step to effective treatment. That's why we've invested in revolutionary diagnostic tools, like our AI-based high-end 1.5 Tesla MRI machine, 192 slice CT machine, and many more. This cutting-edge technology ensures faster and more precise results, enabling earlier intervention and better outcomes. Whether it's radiology, pathology, or specialized tests, our diagnostic center delivers unparalleled accuracy and efficiency, ensuring you're always a step ahead in your healthcare journey. At Manorama Ultrascan Pvt Limited, every detail is designed with you in mind. From seamless appointments to state-of-the-art facilities and a compassionate team, we're committed to make your experience stress-free and comfortable. Manorama Ultrascan Pvt Limited, where innovation meets compassion. Trust us to be your lifelong partner in health, because your well-being is our priority.